At EnvisionTEC headquarters in Dearborn, Michigan, we are growing and harvesting COVID-19 test swabs by the thousands and distributing them to healthcare heroes nationwide who are combating the global pandemic. This effort is enabled by the versatility of the EnvisionOne 3D printer. NP swabs that are 3D printed using eGuide soft resin offer sufficient flexibility while also being durable enough to ensure that they are safely inserted and removed from each patient. Swab production begins with the importing of digital swab designs into E1RP software. The designs are arranged in the form of a build job before being sent to the EnvisionOne to be 3D printed. The EnvisionOne's CDLM technology and large build platform are perfectly suited for growing hundreds of swabs at a time. Once harvested, the swabs are rinsed in ultrasonic baths of isopropyl alcohol before being spread out in a single layer and placed in a dehydrator for 30 minutes. After the swabs have cooled, they are taken to a post-curing station where they are irradiated by UV light. The light-cured swabs are then sorted and inspected before being weighed and bagged. Quality controllers inspect and measure swabs from each bag to ensure that each batch matches the required specifications. The approved batches are taken to an ISO 13485 certified facility specializing in pharmaceutical steam heat sterilization. Once thoroughly sterilized, the swabs are packaged and shipped to healthcare facilities all over the country. At EnvisionTEC, we are working hard, day and night, to protect you and your loved ones, so everyone can go back to work safely. State governments, hospitals, and schools can acquire our NP swabs by reaching out to us at EnvisionTEC.com/EnvisionTEC-COVID-19-efforts.